Quick video on how to create an STL file to 3D print your part. Go ahead and grab a stick drive from me. It's a special little white stick drive. Stick that into your computer and off we go. So we're going to go up to File, and then you want to hit the little arrow next to Print, Send to 3D Print Service. Opens up this little dialog box. We're going to go to Options and then Units. So your units need to be changed to millimeters. Has nothing to do with what you modeled your part out of. It's just some settings on my 3D printer. Change this to millimeters. And then we'll go to OK. And let's say OK here. Don't change any of these settings. And then don't hit save just yet. You have to go up here to this drop down and you need to find this. This is the name of your jump drive. It says coaxia, whatever that is. It might say the letter D, it might not, but that's what you're looking for right there. Click on that, and then please name it something other than part one. So there'll be lots of little part ones on here, and you're not going to know what it is. So just say something like Davidson's 3D print. Boom, hit save, pull that out, bring it over to the printer, and Davidson will show you the rest.